Welcome back to the channel, people. Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rome. You are watching the fourth official. Before going further, make sure to drop a like on the video, subscribe right down there if you're brand new, and spread it to the world so people can see it, follow and subscribe as well. Again, subscribe button is right there. It's absolutely free. Absolutely free. So please hit the subscribe. Thank you. I can breathe a sigh of relief. We can breathe a sigh of relief because Argentina is now champions of the world. And so we can say comfortably that I told you so. And I did tell you so, that Argentina was going to be champions of the world, and they are champions of the world. No, we move back to reality. We move back to the world that we're living in terms of Manchester United. And not necessarily the Premier League, because the Premier League will be coming soon, but we're talking about the Carabao Cup. Manchester United will be back in action tomorrow for the Carabao Cup. And I'll be watching it. I probably will be streaming it. I'm not sure yet, depending on how the schedule goes by. But we are back tomorrow. And the team is mostly up and running and fit to go. Diego Dalot has been the only casualty at the World Cup due to injuries, because he had that injury in the last game, hamstring injury. Should be out for like 2 or 3 weeks, not sure. I haven't heard the reports yet. Casemiro is back, fit and ready to go. Bruno back, fit and ready to go. Fred back, fit and ready to go. Anthony back, fit and ready to go. Rashford back, fit and ready to go. Maguire back, fit and ready to go. Shaw back, fit and ready to go. The entire team, the entire squad. Malacia back. He didn't play, so he's going to be eager to play because he didn't play in the World Cup. Fit and ready to go. All the other players, Pelestri fit and ready to go. He played a few games for Uruguay. They didn't make the second round, but he's still ready to go. All the players that we went out on loan who were for Manchester United, man named Annabelle Mesbury, he fit and ready to go, but he's playing in Birmingham. So we'll talk about that later. So yeah, Manchester United players are fit and ready to go. The two players who are not here yet are Martinez and Bruno and Varane. We know why they're not here, because they participated in the World Cup. Martinez winning the World Cup, vamos Licha. And of course, the French team who lost, Varane played an integral role for the entire World Cup. I'm glad he's back. I'm glad he's fit and ready to go as well. So the only casualty man you can report is Dalot. I wish you a speedy recovery, fam. I really do. But tomorrow we'll be facing Burnley. And Burnley is at the top of the championship. Now, this should be an easy win, not a difficult win. But it's Manchester United, so they can't really put nothing past them. But it's not going to be an easy game because of the fact that it's Burnley. They are top of the league in the championship. And it's almost like everything that plays against Manchester United put up like 3 decibels when they start playing against Manchester United. I don't know why, don't know how, but they do. So tomorrow we have to execute very well. I'm looking forward to it. I might be watching it here and doing a stream, or I might be watching it on my phone at the gym. I'm not sure. Maybe not. But who knows? But I'm looking forward to see a proper team tomorrow. No, I think that it's going to be a hectic season in December, the end of December into January. So I think that the team will have to rotate. We don't have Ronaldo anymore. They don't have a Gakpo, or a Turan. They haven't bought anyone yet. And I'm hoping that coming at the first week of the transfer market, but it's a different story for a different day. But I'm hoping that we can maintain what we had in the games, last few games that we played in the league, moving to this game. I'm thinking that Dubravka should be in the goal. I don't see why he shouldn't. Maguire, Lindelof. I think Wan-Bissaka should play. I'm hard to say that Williams will. Williams is definitely a right-footed left back, so maybe he can give him a run out at the right side, see how he plays. But I'm thinking Wan-Bissaka will play. Left back should be Malacia. Definitely should be Malacia. I'm thinking in the midfield, it definitely should be McTominay. It should also be Eriksen. And it should also be the young number 10, which I think he could be the heir to Bruno. I really think this man can be the heir to Bruno. Zidane Iqbal. I think he should start. Bruno should be on the bench. He needs rest, especially for the next game. I'm thinking up front should definitely be Martial. And left, it should definitely be Garnacho, and then on the right should be definitely be Anthony. And maybe they can squeeze Ilanga in there, but I do think Anthony should play. Didn't play much in the World Cup anyway, so I think he should start. But hey, this is a relatively good game where we can put out a decent team to win the game. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Definitely think Zelan Iqbal should play in number 10 though, but who knows? Who knows? So people here, remember we're very close to getting 1,000 subscribers. We're basically 300 away from being 1,000 subscribers, and they moved to 2,000 and they moved to 3,000. But first, you have to hit the 1,000 like mark. So please, as soon as you see the video, drop a subscribe. Spread it across the world so that people can see it and like it as well. Anyway, bless yourself, bless up others. Manaz.